haven't done a video in a while. Haven't really had anything to make content on. So a friend of mine sent me a message and said, listen, do I still do cars? So I said, yo, when I can, fine. And he's like, okay, well, he's busy buying a bike here, double cab Navara. Would I be interested in his little Corsa? And I said, yes, I do like these little cars. So it's a 2004 Opel Corsa 1.4 Comfort. Got all the little bells and whistles that you would need for a little daily. Aircon does need to be regassed, so I think that is first on the schedule for now. I just dropped him off at the dealership, so I'm going to quickly stop past Simba, just get the aircon regassed because it is hot as balls today, and with no aircon it's not going to work. So once I get back, I will give you guys a bit of a walk around so you can see what it is, and I'll also tell you all the little things that I need to get done. I don't know if you guys can hear the whining. The wheel bearings are shot. I thought it was the rear, but I think it might be the fronts, and I've already ordered the parts, so I would need to just inspect that properly so I can see which one's if it is the fronts or the rears. But service, I need to do a service on it, valve cover gasket and a couple other little things. So stay tuned. This thing is going to annoy me. It doesn't stay up, so I'm going to quickly take the one screw out, take it out, and then I'll fix it when I get back. Okay, well, let me quickly give you guys a walk around while I'm just getting the aircon redone. So firstly, headlights polish and try and get that cap over there. And then engine bay is seriously dirty. There's crap everywhere, especially in there. Valve cover gasket needs to be replaced, and I do a full service on it. What else? I need to try and get this little cap because that's non-existent. I'm gonna try and get some original wheel caps. If I can't, then so be it. Then all the stickers, I love removing stickers and stuff. Another one there. Overall decent condition. A couple of little scratches and stuff. Again, more stickers to remove. Got a couple of little dents here. I don't know if I'm going to be able to get that removed with paintless dent removal, but we'll most definitely try and get some long number plates for it that look a little bit better. Interior isn't crazy dirty. Okay, besides here where the baby seat was, they never vacuumed there. So yeah, while I was driving as well, I just took this off because it's flopping in the wind. But the factory fitted gear lock, that seat there needs to be fixed. But like I said, overall not in bad condition. So a lot of stickers to take off, which I love doing. There, got that over there. Tires are fairly new. So yeah, it's going to be a cool little project. Alright, aircon nice and ice cold. Now let's get going with the rest. Okay, back at Charlie with the Corsa. I'm going to leave it so that he can fix this for me. So what he's going to do is he'll fill it up with foam and then just replace this panel. And then also I'm going to try and get him to see, because now that I've put the clips in, this keeps on falling down. He's going to see if he can sort that out for me. need a new good polish there. Okay, so I've screwed it up at the back, yeah. Well, not me, but because these stickers have been on here for so long, when I used the rubber wheel to remove the stickers, it started taking some of the paint off, so that stayed like that. All the other stickers are off. The one on the window. Let me show you guys. Charlie fixed the seat yesterday, put that panel in, and then he also made a new handbrake boot for it. Then I quickly just tried my polish on this headlight because it looked like that. So let me quickly hit this one. You guys can see the transformation. A really major difference. I'm just gonna hit this side quickly a bit. But that's work for 2 minutes. All of 2 minutes is taken to probably do both headlights. Almost like new. That's like I said, quick 2 minutes to make your headlights look like them. I mean, these are plastic, so it's easier to polish them up, and you can just see all the crap that has come off of these headlights. This was a new pad before I started. So also I've had the valve cover gasket replaced. There was so much crap and gunk build up there, so see down there, new oil filter. So also had a full service done. Only thing I need to try and find is that bottle cap, and then obviously just at least this will get on top of valet, which will happen this week, and then this one can be for sale as well. So I'm pretty happy with how it's come out so far. Just not a huge fan of the hubcap, so I think what I'll try and do is probably either take them off or try and find original hubcaps that should go on the car. Corsa is pretty much done. One or two little touches left. Just a quick 10-minute walk to go and pick up the car from the valet. So once I get it, I'll show you guys what it looks like. Alright, final piece of the puzzle is getting rid of this and this. And moving this on.
It was at this moment that he knew. He fucked up.
And then fucking shit up and bleeding in the process. Wonderful. Okay, so now I need to get a new bottle as well. Fucking great. Okay, well, there we go. Next. Alright, so after putting my thumb through that in the previous clip, I ended up getting a new one. So I think it's probably one of the easiest things to replace. Yank up, unplug, clean up, put it back. So I'm not going to record that, it's just... Take that out, take the pump out, like that, make yourself dirty, and then put it into the new one. Dumbass move. One thing I didn't put in, this is the grommet. So, take the pump out, put the grommet in, put the pump in. Obviously it just leaked straight out. Right, got some paint mixed up, color matched to the other fuel cap. Quickly sanded it down with 800 grit. And I'm going to quickly spray it and then put it on, as I've got someone that wants the car. So, I'll show you when it's done. Painting with 2K makes the world of difference. I would say that looks pretty factory. So all I need to do is just put the rubber back, the seal, and then I can pop it in the car. Corsa's all done. Headlights polished, new wheel caps are on, the car's been valeted. Came out very, very nice. Car does look very good. Seat fixed with Charlie. And did the new handbrake boot because the other one was stuffed. Roof lining's cleaned. Seats look very good. Everything came out very nice. Put long number plates on it. I think the long plates just make it look so much better. Let's open up the engine bay. Huh? Looks like new, but as of now it is for sale. And yeah, very solid, very nice little car this. So if you guys enjoyed this content, please do me a favor and give the channel a subscribe, give the video a like. And sold. There it goes. Catch you guys in the next one.